guys, today we'll be unboxing Yusuf Avia Plus. This is the new product which we have introduced recently. So let's see the packaging first. It comes in a nice box. It comes with a short description on what the functionalities of the Avia Plus and how to use it. It's a short description. We can just go through it. So I can jump into the product right now. So it comes with a Asus ViaZone card variant, and you have a soft cloth and you have a user manual. Okay, I'll just keep it aside. You can use the PlayVR QR code. I'll just keep it aside. You can just read it. It's very simple. I'll take out the product. So this is the product, guys. It is Yusuf Avia Plus. It is bundled with headphones, a 3-way headband, and IPD adjustment, focal adjustment, and on top of that, you have a touch button to select something on screen or to trigger actions in any VR app or game or any application that you are going to use, like movie players. And on top of that, you have the volume controllers and a small mic. I'll just tell you how to use all these things in a while. Just coming to the design part. It has a nice leather look, matte finish. It's not leather look, but it has that matte finish. It's a front panel. You can open it. These things will help you to dissipate the heat that comes out of mobile while using your VR. You can just take it off if you want, or you can just keep it up. Now coming to the inner part, I'll just show you how to use the mobile. As you might be knowing that you can just launch your Yusuf ViaZone app. It has a lot of VR apps, right from movie players to 360 videos to 3D videos, everything. It has all the latest and hottest VR apps. So what I'll do is I'll just navigate to the movie players. So you have our just a second for you. So you have Yusuf VR Cinema Player. I'll just open that. It will prompt you to install it. Once you have installed it, you will open the app. So you have 3 options: 360 player, a normal movie player, and a 3D FPS player. So quickly I'll just navigate through the movie. So randomly I'll just select any video, maybe this one. Then it will prompt you to select your seat. Just randomly select any seat. No, you can select any seat. I'll just select this one, center one. Then enter. So once you enter that, it will show you the theater. Okay, you need to just know the theater will open up in the direction that you have opened it. So I'll just tell you how to use it. So now, once you're inside the theater or before you open the app, you can just connect this audio jack to the mobile. Okay, now what you can do is you can just align the center line to the center of the VR. Okay, just like this, right? Hope you can see this, and just snap it. That's it. Now if you want to dissipate the heat, you can just take it off, and also you can use it as an AR camera for AR apps, or you can just keep it like this, right? And now what you can do with this, now you have this touch button. This touch button will help you to select anything on VR app. For example, in Yusuf VR Cinema Player, when you click on this button on any side wall, it will recenter the screen. So likewise, every VR has its own functionality. So depending upon that functionality, you can use this click to select or trigger any actions. This is one part. So once you have this, you don't require any external magnetic controller, or you don't require any remote also. And apart from that, you have this volume adjustments. What it will do is, it will help you to increase or decrease volume. Apart from that, you can answer the calls in between while you are watching VR in headset. And you know there's a small mic which you can just talk to the other person, to the mic itself. So there's a lot of functionalities, and you can just control the media. For example, if you watch some movie in Yusuf VR Cinema Player app, you can use it to control the volume. Now coming to the headphones, the headphones are designed in such a way that you can increase the length of it, you can decrease it on both the sides independently. You can tilt it as per your requirement, right? And now face padding has also been increased a little bit, so that you can just wear it with your spectacles. You don't need to take them off. So now we have a very great product in line right now. As usual, the VR headset supports mobiles from 4.7 to 6 inches. It can even support 4 inches also. But the problem is, just a second, I'll just stop this one. Okay. See, it's a 5.5 inch Lenovo K4 Note. So it can easily support it. If you can see the size, it's a 5.5 inch screen. Now it can accommodate up to 6 inches. It can even accommodate for 4 inch screen also, but we do not recommend it because the immersive experience won't be as good as it will be on a 5.5 inch screen. That's it, guys. So this is a new product. Hope you will be liking it. If you have any queries or doubts on our product, please message us in the comment section. We'll get back as soon as possible. If you want to buy it, we are available on Amazon, Flipkart, on our website, eBay. Just go and buy it. Right? You won't be regretting it. Now it is coming at a price tag of 2299. Thank you, guys.